What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Moneylion mobile app. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing we're going to talk about is signing in and navigation. So first thing you want to do is to download and install the app. So you can get that from the App Store for iOS devices, or you can get that from the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then enter your email address and password to sign into your account. And once you're there, you can explore the dashboard, so you can view your account balance, transactions, and financial insights on the dashboard. And you can also navigate through the app, so use the bottom navigation bar to access different features such as investment, credit, and financing. Now let's talk about managing your account. So first up in managing your account is to link external accounts. So you want to connect your external bank accounts, credit cards, or investment accounts to track your finances. The second, of course, is to view account balances, so you can check your account balances and transaction history with the app. And also you can transfer funds, so that allows you to move money between your linked accounts. And also you can use it to pay bills, so you can pay bills directly through the app. Now for investing and credits, you can explore investment options. So the app allows you to view investment portfolios and track your investments. It also allows you to monitor credit score, so you can check your credit score and reports. You could also receive credit alerts, so you can get notifications for your changes to your credit report. Now when it comes to financing and loans, you could apply for loans. You can apply for personal loans, credit builder loans, or other financing options. You could also view loan details, of course. Once you get the loans, you can check your loan balance, interest rates, and repayment schedules. You could also make loan payments, so you can pay loans directly through the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.